In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Google Ads certified. Getting certified is a great way to validate your skills, boost your credibility, and stay current with the latest advertising best practices. We'll walk through the exact path you'll take, what to expect along the way, and a few helpful tips to make the process smoother. First, head over to Google Skillshop and sign in with your Google account. This is Google's official learning platform, and everything you need for training and certification lives here. Once you're signed in, your progress will be saved automatically, so you can learn at your own pace and pick up right where you left off from any device. Next, choose the product area you want to specialize in, such as Google Ads. Within Google Ads, you'll find distinct tracks like search, display, video, shopping, apps, and measurement. Think about your role and goals. If you manage text ads and keywords, search might be your starting point. If you work with YouTube campaigns, focus on video. If you run retail campaigns, shopping could be the best fit. You can complete multiple certifications over time, but begin with the one most relevant to your day-to-day work. Now, dive into the free self-paced lessons inside Skillshop. These modules cover fundamentals, campaign setup, optimization strategies, and measurement. Take your time here. Skim the overview to see what's included, then move through each lesson carefully. Take notes on key concepts, bookmark any sections you want to revisit, and if possible, practice in a demo or real account to connect theory to real-world actions. If a topic feels tough, pause and review the knowledge checks. Repetition helps solidify understanding. When you feel ready, start the certification exam from within Skillshop. Plan for uninterrupted time and make sure your internet connection is stable. Read each question slowly, watch for details and qualifiers, and use elimination when you're unsure. If you don't pass on the first try, that's okay. Review the areas you missed in the training, then come back with fresh eyes. When you pass, you'll receive a digital certificate and a shareable credential you can add to your resume and professional profiles. Finally, remember that certifications expire after 1 year. Set a reminder a few weeks before your renewal date, revisit the updated training materials, and retake the assessment to keep your credential active. This habit ensures your knowledge stays current as Google Ads evolves and helps you maintain confidence in your skills. That's the path to becoming Google Ads certified, clear, achievable, and completely free through Skillshop.